New details on the EMS program at Brunswick Community College. Last month, classes were abruptly canceled when the director of the program left. Chip Munna sent us a statement saying the school decided not to renew his contract. We've learned this morning some of the courses will be allowed to resume. According to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, a request from Brunswick Community College to change its program director was approved.